I'm Carolina, and I am the host of Sincerely Carolina, a series of educational conversations about current social issues with local and international experts. Make sure you tune in every Saturday on Cool FM from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Bye! Happy Saturday. May espero ko po dati yung bong simang. Kubo simang ta whatever it needed to be. Siya to simang druk, siya to simang contento, siya to simang yang di aktividad manera di mi to anto manera isong di migas ng to ko participa na summer camp on ko sa focus riba community involvement. Nos vai papi untiki di essay in a little bit. Pero dia mas mi quero bisa feliz weekend. Happy Saturday. Ni quero agora turhana também com nossa live. Riba Cool FM sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Sincerely Carolina sa YouTube and Facebook. Também está live riba Cool FM sa Twitch. E riba a website. E shoutout na nos ayantanang na Aruba. E all other countries that are listening to us. Yes, e também reminder que se você não escuta full episode aqui agora aqui, vou pôr replay it back, assim que acaba, riba onde a plataforma não como eu mencionar, pero também vou pôr hanhela back riba jamar, riba bo favorite podcasting platform, se eta Apple Podcasts, Spotify, whichever one you use, you will find it there. Next week. Yes, so para me sige, me quero bisa danki na my awesome sponsors for allowing me to talk about whatever I want to talk about. Me quero bisa danki na Total, na la Roche-Posay, e na Pringles. I appreciate you so much. And of course, no Cool FM pa espacio aqui. Maneira me mencionar, ave nos vai pape untiki di summer camps, specifically summer camp ko mitotatini. Kuyama community involvement summer camp, ja mencionar sa aqui vários biyaha durante e siman nang ko eigenlijk maneira buso sami ta focus ho priba social responsibility, pero também importância de incluir hobennan ding sa aqui. To kompa encourajar hobennan pa care about nos community, des nossa bishita diferente organisacionnan, kuta friends of Sincerely Carolina. Anto nossa siña tiki ko nanta hasi, pero também konos per contribuir anto etinsang a come up with advocacy campaigns for them as well. So nos vai babi tiki di turcos over the essay. So without further ado, me ding very interesting, I want to say, group awe anto na the best one ko diferente wowanang grandi about kiko turmi tabay puntra nang anto kiko turmi tabay bisa nang papapia. I mean just kera kara turhana tambe ko ta okay pa code switch, so we probably will be doing a little bit of that. Anto see me ta hope excited pa nos começar a conversation. So without further ado, me tabay laga nos gas nang introducir ang mes. Me tabay pidi Jianna si po schrijf een mic maar cerca dibo aan de touch e pida above rata sina. Yes. Heb je het erop? Okay, yes. Jianna, contanos un tiki di king buta why you're here today. And anything you want to tell us about yourself?
Bom dia, meu nome é Jianna e eu tenho 4 anos. Eu me aqui sobre o final dia de summer involvement camp, like community involvement camp.
All right, thank you. Next in line.
Bom dia, meu nome é Zilly y Kirsten, 5 anos, eu mapin papin tiki di tudo com um funny interessante com essa semana aqui.
Awesome. Next.
Bom dia, meu nome é Evangelina, eu tenho 2 anos e eu mapin papin di tudo atividade na conosa hasi de community camp.
Okay, awesome, Eva, thank you.
Bom dia, meu nome é Alyssa, eu tenho 5 anos e eu estou aqui sobre eu gosto de give back to the community and ready to talk about it.
Bom dia, meu nome é Kirsten e eu estou aqui para contar você que nós fazemos community involvement camp.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm here to talk about what we learned this week.
All right, thank you so much. Jianna, Zilly, me pidi buso touch a mic about tiki mas, just let me. Okay, wait. Okay, yes. Okay, awesome. All right, so maneira buso escucha, age groups santa differ, ladies nang acompanhanos, eigenlijk bij diferente organisações, e manke for the purpose of structure, nós também by eigenlijk back to day one, para nós por papi um tiki de kico nossa hasi durante esse man aqui, anto na cada organization. So, e para mim, organization com nossa bishita, anto nossa siña, segajele, pero também trabalha um campaign para nang tauta Sgt. Peppers and Friends. Sgt. Pepper and Friends nota desconhecimento que era de nossa comunidade na Aruba, pero tampouco na oriente não de Sincerely Carolina de Cool FM, não sabe bishita nós mas viaja. So, mita bailaga, whomever wants to chime in, anto conta nós um tiki de Kiko Tour Sgt. Peppers tahasi para comunidade de Aruba.
Okay. Na Sgt. Peppers, nanta tuma kacho, nanta rescue ng kacho i pushi fekaya. Nanta doon ng shelter, comida, turisay ng, sorry. I nanta yuda ng wordo adopta, so nanta trina pa bayri balish ku turisay ng, pa nanta kapa wordo adopta. So.
Thank you. Com essa kita ajuda nos comunidade, então se eles quer chime in por, pero porta é outra não que também da willing papapia de Sgt. Peppers, com tudo o qual que ele acaba de mencionar ajuda comunidade Aruba eigenlijk of Aruba in general.
It reduce a number of dogs of cats river street. It help them get adopted tambe pa just pa to protect it, pa higher love as a shelter, stuff like that.
Yes, good. Mita kere maioria gente que but just vai para fora Aruba por e para, que nós tem stray dog problem, right? Pero mi no sa si abuso portava sta young, mi no sa si bosa riparar, que é virando tiki menos. Porta antes, ono que botata wak mani grupo ng hobby grande di cachorro portado em bairro ou área de bairro, pouco a pouco não virando menos. Antes aqui também entre outro, right? Que pensam maneira que o Zilly mencionou, pero maneira que Kirsten mencionou também, é reduz a quantidade que tariba kaya, anto eventualmente é meta tapa não só tem stray animals anymore. Kiko is an interesting fact ora ko bosa data no Sgt. Peppers. Me quero hope handa pensa Sgt. Peppers handa pensa puppies and dogs. By any chance bosta cara mais ou menos quanto pushing antini?
Me de quer na bisa around the 3
Which is crazy, right?
Sim, esse data hope surprising.
E pushing ang tame that's a hong hanging around, right? What was that like?
Really fun.
Dito, tanta Caroline, tanta mané socialize, right? Bosa sa sitting hen na ron, bosa oro ko nang pensa riba push nanta pensa ko nanta mané mean or mané no friendly. Bosa yigi escucha sei, ko ting hen ko da bisa say about cats.
Sim.
Anta ko bosa experience ta ka cats ang
Amaya cats lang super friendly nanta da being nanta kawara petted. Ita da cute.
Sim, no? Anta cuddled. So, boso abay anto boso assim yung tiki di Sgt. Peppers, pero boso actually do some labor as well. Quem que conta um tiki di Kiko tour nossa hasi of Kiko hena nang kuta volunteer at Sgt. Peppers get to do like in a day basically.
Sim. Ami pro me mi trabalho tá pa com tatin dos cachorros que tá super shy. So normalmente cachorro não tá super friendly bing não quer hunga cultura senang. Pero sa akin tá hopi shy na anto bra ami ko Alyssa nos mesera por badi duna ng comida mane fenos mang treats panang costumang tiki mas ko hende anto sienang kung pabayri balish pero ya nos na llega tenang so tem um tiki medo, pero esse ya nos hora nos assim um tiki com nos mas tem um tiki paciente que cachonan passou ya nanta
Um tour tem a mesma personality, right?
sim tá
Me te querer say também boso para different personalities tem dogs e cats by all means.
sim tá tem outro também tem nang little area que tá corre around pero edosan tata um tiki diferente pero na outro area também não se vai não se sinta com outro grupo de puppies hunga kunan também para costumar com gente anto depois eventually não poder adoptar não se dona não tiki água também não se anto yeah.
Kiko mas nossa hasi while we were there, so nós mencionava com nossa purba de hasi socialization, que hoop importante, right? Se você quer para pets que adopted, não é ser por vai omcorrendo. Nós cambia ng awa, nós ajuda com ng routine di a noite também, a tarde também, quem tá cara aqui que tu receita tá include a routine di a tarde.
Picking up poop.
Picking up poop, right? Actually, were you surprised quando hapon trabalho sa pick up poop?
No.
No, right? It's a parte di responsible pet ownership, me te quere. But quero que hope handa para quieto na esse, because but tem pet that also means not just the cuddles and the food and the water, but like also picking up poop.
Yeah, it's a big responsibility.
Dat nossa papa também dia sei, right? Junto com e handa ni Sgt. Pepper's, com a responsibility that it is para ting pets, no? E para cuidar não. So, basta hasi tour activities ng aqui. It's a hope leuk. Obviously, nos get to play cuddle puppies and kittens. En toen después vos me será bien con una idea para create eigenlijk advocacy campaign of social media idea. Para así encourage people to get into Sgt. Pepper's. So, as soon as ko atraheriba a campaign di Sgt. Pepper's, kuda Zilly y Kirsten. Vos lo que explica un tiki about boso campaign, the kong bosa keys, a trend ko bosa keys. Tell us a little bit about that. Kirsten, I'm thinking, right.
Mina echt sa di kong nasa kise, pero ito itong fun idea ito trendy. Kung mane dos teenager of parents, anto bahaya pushi yung kacho, anto puta pone ng stuff junto ko dibo, anto ito mane ito cute. Iko, yeah.
And the orbo pins riba puppies and kittens, and the obviously ba keys and trans go to cute, but the scene ko iseta by relate naman a cuteness, right? Ko pets to suppose it is in your family and the see. Okay. So basta ting video, by the way, pa isunan ko ta wondering una nang pawaki campaigns ang aki, nos ting social media page, kuyama summer camp by Miss Carolina, anto iriba nos posting to the campaigns ang ting kaba live, pero durante dia di AWAA mayang, nos vai kaba di post 4 diferente campaigns, so stay tuned for that. So ora kimi ka puntra tambe, Miga puntra Eva, basta não se escuta Eva papel hopi ainda. Eva, se tem algo que eu vou pôr bisa renda que eu estou escutando about o trabalho de Sgt. Pepper's, que eu vou loquear para dançar?
Me loquear para dançar com volunteer e adopt cachorro of pushi para have a better home.
Yes. Jianna, is there anything que eu quero chime in onto that? Ko Eva, Bisa, anything else que portar renda no consider?
No, echt, pero chisco eta important para nos ayuda el organisacion aquí, gispa sobrante echt important para el community.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Alright, so I say tot een tiki die eigenlijk kiko nos siña i wat na Sgt. Pepper's een tiki tami di a campaign. Stay tuned for that. It's a very cute. Mi digo bisa, it's a very cute trend, so I'm excited para share say. And the next organizacion ko na sa bishita edi 2 dias da Fundacion Respeta Mi, ko tampoco no tanopo na Zilly y Kirsten no they recently. So mi quero puntra quem quer bisami un tiki di kico e organisacion tahasi anto kiko ng goal ta eigenlijk. Actually, you want to go ahead?
Nanta spread awareness pamane like kids our age pamane nanting cuidado ko kiko nanta post kiko mane pating mane cuidado ko AI and everything paso ita getting like very advanced I mane advanced to a point ko mane bono puwak sometimes a difference between like a truth and kiko not the truth, so yeah.
En dus zag je er rond daarmee die nang mission eigenlijk pa para fight abuse, right? Sobre antes ora nós pensa de abuso, eigenlijk contra mucha of hobennan nós pensa riba kostang maneira físico, dal, etc. Pero hoy en día online world também por perpetuate that, right? Tem hobby maneira me create actually so hobby fake content could cause a lot of harm because it happened there. So, Miguel Puntraboso, minus as anyone else can add portar riba local ko Ashley Bisa. Si say that all encompassing. Okay, so that's it.
Mitahaya maneta like insane di kung hopi hinata mane use AI. Paso like Bobo use AI in good ways because there is good ways to use AI, pero mane some people use it to have a boyfriend. Like and that's crazy. Mane mita just haya mane is just really insane. Like no bisanda ko hene mes ko usando it insane, pero it is kind of insane, you know. So see, yeah, that's.
And so that also says something about human interaction, right? Kung assim na hopi hende ta preferava online.
Sí, en vez de conocer un gente actually, basta in person.
Make friends.
Make friends. Mita kira man hopi hende ta man nowadays nata shy, nata alone, nata man isolated. Yeah, nano kya man take that step.
Get out there, participate in summer camps of sports. But volunteering, right? That is a good way também que você conhecer gente, você pode make friends through volunteering and stuff like that. Então tem gente que gewoon te preferar de spend time online. Kiko tem possible harm of danger se gente não está acostumado com friends lang e não pareja lang, não boyfriends or girlfriends. Tá AI. Kiko por passa depois de tempo. Si bota acostumar com AI, tá bom friend of AI, tá bom boyfriend of girlfriend.
Dorko ta papi hopi ko AI eta mane agree ko bo hopi. Anto mane bo puntre algo e no te baby sapo no. Mane in real life si bo bai tiong pareja of un friend eta baby sapo a real thing, mane bo puntre algo no te baby sabo si tur ora, si no te mane true. So esa importa obi malo, ando bueno po echt interact tampoco con gente, paso pota opi online. Y yeah.
Good. Met hij zit een very good explanation, Kirsten. Thank you so much. Er zit een huge danger ko Fundacion Respeta Mi papi about tame, right? Zeta reduzir eigenlijk paciência de hobennan, nan capacity pa empathy, nan capacity pa compreender outro gente sua situação, pa sobretudo está spending so much time com AI, com models nan ta trabalhar pa agree kubo all the time. Batinha models nan mane chatbots nan, pero batinha models nan ko da echt supposedly mane friend, dan te zijn nan ta mas agreeable ainda. At some point but I'll lose grasp eigenlijk the reality ko real conversations hindi na tabay disagree anto right anto ko ta okay pa bo sometimes discutir ko bo friend as long as buta hasi de forma respetuoso anto ko po bisa sorry anto ko bo por come back anto sa yeah rekindle that friendship. Thank you for that explanation. Basta kara de die apps am sino tour pero die apps tang kun nanga papia di jelen. Basta cara mais ou menos quanto users não tem, active users?
Não tem 41 milhões active users.
That's crazy, right? And they say that there's some good specifically para mane online dating, right? Então mane dating AI thing.
Create po mesmo persona avatar to post, but just customize it to your liking. This beside inota echt like comparable to the real world. Dus beside echt no post bom.
Ora bosa wa que com a app ta traha, com a platform ta traha. Mane kiko todo bosa immediate reaction. Bosa reaction ta outra mane interesting of mane that's creepy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
See, okay. It is. I mean, I'm hindi creepy. Ora bita walk with mane. Okay, besides mane. Pero me pensa it's a robot, right? It's like we know it's a robot, pero Sim. Okay. All right. So, a woman que apunta, isso não trabalha bom advocacy ferio besides tudo qual ko nós acaba de mencionar nanga papel também de fashion mencionar um tiki também que nós share online etc. So, porta isso não trabalha a campaign de Fundacion Respeta Mi, Alyssa.
Sim, nós trago vídeo de último que acaba de ganhar new credit card. E eu quero post selfie de isso no credit card com all the information on it. E prometo que poste ela ganha vision de que lo passa se eu post a video, boshi fake accounts, so bank account amount decreasing, just overall negative consequences de que lo passa se post vulnerable information online.
Isso aqui tá disse nós com os nomes share personal information online e just in general maneira bo address, bo credit card information, bo school, just hobicos, no pa share online.
So, agora que nós estamos 2 weeks away, I think, from the new school year. Was there any tips to maybe parents listening of te asa mo siya nang of hobennan ko to escuchando? How should we share that first day of school picture of kung what should you, what shouldn't you share?
No hiba ng school.
Wow, actually, maybe if we just skip school altogether, we'll be safe.
Information dangerous ko post bijvoorbeeld ki school na tabay of ki vrouw na nating anto na hunde school te keda bijvoorbeeld pa sobra punong kano sa siyong hene po bay na sa tubo information ki ora botayta na school ki dia nang obviously anto na po Bible school punong kasaki po pasa.
Anto esaki por tame wara usa bijvoorbeeld pa create un sense of familiaridad, right? Gente tá bem, por aí muito mais chiquito, por exemplo, então não também sim, me conhecebo parents, então maybe they refer to memories or pictures que tá online, então se por criar sense of safety, right? Você talaga bo querer como I definitely conheci minha mama, essa onde minha mama tá traz, aqui escola me tá by, right? That can be like very scary. As well, what about rapport? Eventually, eu conheço como se ganha rapport. Kiko, what are do's and don'ts about that?
Riba bo rapport, bo ting bo number, bo class, bo mentor, bo host, everything riba jet. So si bo ke post patrati bo rapport, post cijfers, so blur out a number, school logo, number die vrouw, ki class bo ding.
Okay,
Pa
good.
bo sure, give out turbo information pa randoms online.
O both of the sinti ko maybe we shouldn't share at all, like nothing of both of the sinti there is a way to do it in a safe way and to feel comfortable. And I put on personal opinion, like how do you guys, this is just a question for everybody. Como você feel about it? Después de escucha lecture and to después de
Dus eigenlijk, amilo bisa no share report at all, pero si ba kaya gis po na cijfers iorat ya.
What about just in general? As you would go on vacation and stuff. Kung abo Jianna to feel as a person about sharing online after that workshop. But the sinti ko después de Fundacion bishita Fundacion Respeta Mi, but un tiki mas skeptical about online. Does it make you nervous? And don't share nada at all of como to feel about online behavior.
Of course, ito lagabo feel skeptical, riba tukos ko bata walk online, pero hindi kere bota po post. Manera eno ta echt een problema. Just a personal information ta a problema mes.
Okay, good. Zilly, kung abo to feel about it. Bata ki pensa ito by changeable behavior, bata pensa bata aware ka ba? Bata pensa bata mas aware about things you see maybe from other people?
Mita kerta definitely okay pa post, pero sempre bumesa tiki ma cautious. Bijvoorbeeld si bo bij vakantie en to bo saka po try un caminda porta no poste immediately dinge ora e of algo porta war un pari dia pan pessoa assim na hende po no po sa huna bota na tu momento.
Good. That's a very good advice. I will take that for myself as well. Eva, is there anything ko abo da
Sì,
pensa?
a me agree con Zilly, pa sobra vane bambisa ora po vai viaja, no vai post immediately, pa sobra nantawa una botta anda na mane stalkers, po stalk bo anto bayan ng
Mani bijvoorbeeld hierna ko ta post and I'm gonna talk about myself. En hierna ko ta bij een restaurant en toen aan excited en toen aan post probeer ko nang kumisa come and to tag a restaurant, right? Like that sounds like a bad idea now, right? This was the same time. This was the AWAA a workshop of escucha workshop. I will still post the food, but maybe later when I'm done eating until I leave a restaurant. Alyssa, kung abo to feel about basta trahari campaign, kung abo to feel about online behavior?
I mean, as long as you don't post any vulnerable information, then it should be fine. But there's still some team peligro. Team peligro post online about just koi bokara make boshy fake accounts. So, toch, keep that in the back of your mind.
Get een possibility.
Even though it's an innocent photo, if toch na po use that really negatively.
What about, because we mentioned many innocent photos, right? What about many familia na to share pictures di boso, for example? Kung bosta feel about especially a workshop, many porta boso mesmo tu vai post boso report, of boso credit card, of boso driver's license. Pero what about many boso familia who might be excited about those things? Kung bosta feel about it, say bosta pensa many bosta vai papi ko nang bisa nang many hi tanchi hi uma hi ma. Maybe next time.
Mita kere jis papi ko nang bisa nang a danger porta na no sa anto porta private bo account pa friends and family. Uni ko yun ko bota follow say tama ta bong of si bo kier echt post blur ko nang of no pone bo yusun cara paso enan bo zele pa trying fake accounts manela visa. Anto ze hasi mo account punta pa yinkos anto nataabo.
Ashley, anything else you want to add to that about money online anto? No, but pensa trahando bisa per turcos. It's okay, you can throw me under the bus if you want to. We have had these conversations before.
Just papi ko nang prome communicate. That's the best way.
Yes. And even if it's a little hard, right? Manera ko portasi bijvoorbeeld nang ta post ko som kuboso nota feel okay with of mani kuboso nota haya leuk durf pa papia, right? Ku adults ang tamen to explica nang importancia di boso mesong privacy even though nata familia. What about mani school nang kuta portasa ka potret i-post boso potret sing mani bisa boso falgasina. Maybe that should also be a conversation, right? Say tapasa ting oro. Ta suwa na bir hobby grani. Say ta na menciona na workshop ta ku importancia di photo consent. Tanto di turdos, right? Di parents pero tame di e hobby nel momento e tame. Sinanta okay go your pictures being taken, right? Okay, awesome. Kiko boso chiar pa hena nang kuta escuchando boso bisa hopi tips. Is there anything importante nos no mention ainda ku boso lo chiar pa anybody who's listening know until maybe do differently?
But that listeners nang produce manera in general turhan they should educate themselves on the topic of this foundation. Tambe just supporting Fundacion Respeta Mi y sharing their message around. Yes,
Thank you so much, Jianna. Awesome. All right, so then we go to the next activity kunosa get to go to. No, sa bishita the Coral Academy, muna ko Scubble Bubble sa seita ng headquarters to nanda traha anchor riba reef restoration, pero may karpuntra Eva si perché contano santiki di Kiko nang tahasi, pero tambi Kiko boso ahasi ora ko sa bishitano.
So, ora no sa bishita, no sa hasi, no sa cut corals.
Which sounds crazy, no?
Na visa nos ku e corals ano po cresce mas, eso não ku na cresce pa ding. Ando nos pesera corta nang pa e ora para estar más chiquito, para crecer más.
Which is zo'n tikkie funny sobre Kiko coral está eigenlijk even nantom piedra, nantom mata, nantom bestia.
Nantom best.
So it's weird, right? Kung nantom mani, wake bestia aki. At it is okay guys, buy korte bestia mani. Tata tindi boso ko sinti mani, okay, I want to do this. And tata tindi pari boso ko tata tiki mas mani weirded out about it. Mitwa ashe to mani not her hat no. Por tapa po explico un tiki ashe di ko tata feel tiki weird about cutting a coral.
Pasó like como mucho me estaba llamando otra vez unko
Nicole is
Nicole ela mane like she explained to us kumane like she explained to us yada mane you have to think about it like as if it were like
A cat.
a cat. I was like what. Anyways, yes.
And then you had to cut the cat when it's her head and so arms and so legs.
See, it's a weird reference, so it's like.
Elevisa, think of it, and it might grow into 4 cats.
Anto boso turte mani, we just learned we shouldn't want that. Good. Eva, kiko bosa hosa pa corta e corals lang.
Ita outra mane machine, kuta pa corals, antonanta mane, kuta wante, and vai zzz. And then spin also glue e corals na pot. Cool special coral glue.
And the parang por buyback ding attacks, right? So that was very interesting. Mitami din ko bisa ko desvesi ascolta con other living animals and to basta must go take care of them and stuff and that. But okay, and the ones we corte ding yang pidan to mitami this feels a little weird. But apparently essa yun ang cresce mas lihe, right? And the portapa e adulto nang escuchando, vooral e ladies nang met kere e science sutras ta hopi similar manera or correndo ta hasi algo manera yes, that was the word I was looking for. Who said it? Dermaplanning? Yes. Kubasa, but the mane harming the skin basically for a little bit. Do you want to explain it? No? I mean, it's just the science behind it, right?
The name.
Okay, but basically, but harm the skin for a little bit. Pero with the hopes kung new skin to grow masli hair, right? And to restore masli hair. Yeah? Okay.
And release healing
Properties.
oils.
Correct. We gotta fix it. We gotta work extra hard, right? So basically, I say to local ko na explica no sa coral kasi nata just growing by themselves and nata relax and everything's cool. Nata cresce at one rate, pero dori corta nang nata vai tra hope mas duro pa restore the cuttings and to therefore grow hope mas lihe. Dus senhora explica nos ko epida ko nossa tra riba gele. Dus epida tar 6 aya pa cresce asina. Nossa cut it into I think it was 5 pieces and hopefully ding aya eta by basically cada tabay ta mesmo size ko ison ko atara 6 aya. So that's a very interesting thing that I suppose we learned there. Kiko eigenlijk Scubble bubbles lang goal door die entre otro hasi saki dus piki corals lang atong karta ng Kiko ng main goal eigenlijk ta. Dus Kiko nang tapurbano di hasi na Aruba.
Nang main goal ta pa involve youth into the organization. Sobra
A little bit more. Yes. Okay.
yeah, ita pa involve youth in the organization. Di nang pasobra nang eigenlijk start kung mucha nang. Manera
Right, they
full
did.
eco study mucha nang. I ora nang kaya just involve more youth instead of like older people, I guess.
I think they're welcoming to older people as well, but sí, la
Like
comienza, right?
yeah.
Con grupo di joven. Kasi nang number ta mane cute assim na
Couple
I suppose.
bubbles.
Couple bubbles. Anto sí, dus nang kya restore the reefs. Think anyone else could portar que explica un tiki mas de Kiko e mensa tame di restore reefs and like why is it important? Why should we care about restoring the reefs? Alyssa, do you want to maybe say something?
Nos coral reefs ta hopi importante para Aruba. Ora nos vai snorkel, nos ta gusto bak e coral reefs. Anta sinata actively bleaching e dying e not nice. Nos biodiversity ta decline e presença cinco ajuda volunteer para restore a coral reefs para nos hanya Aruba so beautiful coral reefs back.
So with that, di biyahe mi ka pun traboso. Kiko te kosan ko ta causing harm na nos coral reefs. Kiko te kosan ko ta sino Eva ba bisa algo?
Ita mane sunblock ko bata usa bambisa ko ng produkto pa kabay. Ikona body lotion. Anto nanta bisa no pone like sunblock. Just bisa yung rash guard. Babay ding lama.
Sei por taman yung super simple. Kaya mas kaya bisa algo?
Tambe global warming ta really big impact on a corals tambe. Susciamento di nos laman nos beach ng tambe ta impact a corals.
What about, which it also ties a little bit on just ora ko nos transition din nos next organization ko da ACF. What about kiko nos hasi na kas? Ki impact local ko nos hasi na kas por ting riba nos ocean santambe. Não se você acorda. Nos papeti mane body lotion, hair lotion, kiko da kosan ko portamos ta usa na nos kas nang din nos gardens nang that might also get into the ocean when it rains.
Fertilizers.
Yes.
Tucosina, manera weed killers, all of that stuff really harms the ocean. Sobre ora e awayobe ita by ita end up back in the ocean. Coral reefs nang ita echt chemicals nang not malo.
So basically chemicals in general, right? They say that echt algo kuta mani really bad. Anto tin kosan ko nos mens ta hasi mani personally stuff like right, mani lotions etc. Pero tin kosan ko nos ta hasi maybe as families or as households. Pero tambe porta na national level, right? Si nos ta overbuild tanto ting mani asphalt ku constante tabay na elamana of nos ta build hopi cerca di lamana turisena tambe forget into the ocean and the chemicals, all right? So mi puntra about a campaign ko awaro trahapa Scubble bubbles. Eva, portava pa explicar nos antiki di a campaign.
A video?
Aha.
So ita sound the Princess Diaries. And ita bisa you put this and this a princess. Anto nos mapone potra di a corals chiquito. Anto después tem video de ela mapa de cultura fishes não tá swim around com corals.
And they say to explain basically a process, right?
Sim.
But also ko mi te quero portar hena nota para que tu ko panos get the princess kuta right, very healthy coral reef back. Indeed it requires people to intervene in positive ways. Pa contribute na set princess. Kuta vire coral reefs. Porta minasa si Kirsten of Zilly, si boso ke add anything else na a campaign. Kiko boso kika messaging to suppose ita kiko nos kiar pa henda keep in mind ko a advocacy campaign.
Kung nos coral reefs ta hopi bonita ato la mata un big part di Aruba hopi turista ta bing anto ta importante para nos la mana queda bonita so papurva di hasi pa ayuda ko essay por volunteer na Scubble bubbles pero si no ta able pa volunteer po hasi cosa na casa man no sa visa para ma bisti menos sunscreen of no visa at all ipis un rash guard e tiene que daw sitting produkto di kabay pa purva di minimize e harm ko ta bari be coral reefs.
Isi ba kaya volunteer, bata just very ba ng Instagram, bata message nang.
Yes, and something different opportunities tama ito. Di volunteering, babo volunteer on land, babo volunteer on water. There's different options, which I think is also very interesting.
Nata si beach cleanup tama. Nabisa nata si hopi mas, paso mas publiko ta hasi say kuta hopi bong, pero
Si tama, ayaw ko na tour por hasi, right?
Hasi demo free time tama.
Yes. Alright, ladies, thank you so much pa kontanos ng tiki di Scubble Bubbles. Anto eigenlijk kiko durante hasi, anto efforts ko. Met de walk doorheen dat manier, okay, no, so going on to the last organization. Met de kere doorheen de worden scotia is zucht die blaadje aan te bieden, dan toert die workbooks kodang. Pero sí, último organization que nós get to visit, that was the Aruba Conservation Foundation. Ko antes of doorheen por ta conhecer Parque Aricok, of nanta pensa riba Aricok. Pero Aruba Conservation Foundation ta obviamente mais ku Parque Aricok. So, mica puntra, whomever wants to chime in, porta Ashley, porta Alyssa, or Eva, whomever wants to chime in, Kiko, or anybody else, of course. ACF Tahasi, Kiko e organisacion ng Golta, what are they supposed to be doing?
ACF ta proteja y nanta research, educate y preserve Aruba's native plants y wildlife.
Ora bota bisa native, nós assim dois diferentes coisas também, right? Nós tem native, pero nós tem
Non-native.
non-native.
Endemic.
E nós tem endemic, yes.
Y
Kiko ta-
invasive.
E invasive. Eva, bota cara kiko diferença de native e endemic tá by any chance?
Native ta mata que naturally grow on Aruba and adapt to a long time. E endemic a plant that naturally exists only on Aruba.
Only on Aruba, right? Anto tem par, toch? Pari mata lang ko ta endemic na Aruba, pari mata e bestia. Me diz que assim, any chance anybody ta corda. See? Okay.
Endemic ta bushi e raspacara. Native palo de bonchi. Non-native aloe vera. Wanglo. Cucuisa. E invasive ta
Bellísima.
Neem, right?
Sí,
Costa Cara. Oh my
y
gosh.
flor like California, Los Angeles.
Sí. Tudo bem bonita também,
Sí,
pero I guess it's
like
harmful. Right. Ako que minuto cara. Misako tem hopi non-native plants e invasive. E neem tot echt mane mita wak nan tur kamindan, to mita mane just pensa mane ti orbito heen to karta nang, to nanda krese right back, and to mita mane oh man, like it's so bad, right? So mica puntra também pa Kiko é importante passar. Kiko ta nos mata nang ko ta native, anto vooral mane endemic também. Kiko why is it important to know about these plants? Why is it important to,
Sobra ito echt way better pati un garden ku native plants e endemic plants ku un garden ku ting a bunch of like invasive stuff of non-native plants. Sobra gis in general ku weed killers e fertilizers. Sobra non-native plants not adapted to the climate. Dus na mes de hopi mas manera they need to be taken care of a lot. And native plants not adapted, not just get AWAA, which is
Ashley, is there something cool book out na Saki? No, but I think that's very well explained. Kiko tot algo mane interesting fact. Of algo portar surprise bo so while nós está siñando de diferente. Nossa focus sobre plants specifically. Portar pessoas escutando no saco esse have to have hope mais com plants, pero nós quer focus a little bit on plants. Kiko tot algo interesting ko ora ko você escute se faz essa você mane,
Un coisa que surprise me da oran sa isa ku wanglo nota un native plant.
Right?
Kuta crazy sobre ta nos national flower. So iko ya echt makita asombra.
Who made that decision? Whomever is listening, it's not like we're not attacking you guys, but we want to know, like, why did we decide? Nos flor nacional nota un native. Iting flor ng nacional ko bonita, right? Nos awa compara. Ito obsasco e orquídea di mondi, manera nante amele colloquially. Pero ting flor ng nacional ko could have been our national flower.
Também aloe vera tampoco nata native.
I got introduced a while ago. Anto Kiko pasa ora ko la got introduced anto nossa decidi que também vira mane algo importante para Aruba. Kiko é a causa para nos actual mane native e endemic plants.
nam obviously mesra planta hopi di alwenang anto na mesra chapi si
Cap rosa.
cap an hopi di nos native plants anto hore nos apere hopi de senang anto nang junto com aloe vera na trece outro mas non-native plant anto hore nos apere un tiki di Aruba so natural beauty.
Also ting mata nang ko take mane a very long time to grow ko nang kita e temporada e então agora que nós como não tem hobby de nang mas period mane na Aruba because of that, right? So it's kind of sad as well ko esse passa aqui como mais portável so assim of realize ko boso ahaya interessante de nos native of endemic plants. Ashley, I have a ribbon campaign, so tell me a little bit about Kiko. I get you inspired.
Inspired, paso me gusta hopi like nature, mane plants, mane mita malo ko number, pero anyways, sí, me gusta nature. I like being in peace. Paso basta nature, mane nabi sa tambe. Like during ng presentasyon ko sa nature tam buong pakuide pa so eta bring money eta duna nos aire eta duna nos nutrients tambe eta just bring money peace eta hasitu ko bonita imita kere hopi henda tamane wak nos plants tamane ay un kadushi ay basta inanota aksa everything behind it inanota wake ko nanto suppose wake basta nos nature ta actually hopi bonita. Pero mitahaya ko hopihende mane nota consciente di mane ko malo nanta bista hasi nos plants nang paso nanta bezig ta like make more buildings pa hotel pa turista nang nanta tro mane como te bisa ko
Asphalt?
no like toxic like toxic things into the nature yes ita kiko ta dayanos mata so daya mesa spread awareness mass and it is being spread pero hindi natawari
Ofertan não suficiente, right? Of nos nota se ele maybe cool enough, of money interesting enough.
sim
Alyssa, quer bisa algo mais que vai ser? Of
Com renda por ajuda. Obviously, beach cleanups. Também stay on designated paths. Ora vai hike no vai desviar de boa ruta. Também no arranca mata, no littering. E também coisa super importante, keep your pets inside. Apparently, pushi tá mais invasive que ebola.
Sim.
Se nata hunt nos parhan ng lagadishi ratong ng outro besan tambe. Just please kita ko pushi pa ding. Bakachonan tambe at agora si galinha and all that. So keep them inside pa nang no disrupt natural wildlife. Tambe just planta mas mata nativo din bo cura e spread awareness. Mas hindi sa mas natabay act.
So, di biyahe rin ke puntra Ashley ba trahariba campaign pa Aruba Conservation Foundation.
Yes.
Anto ba kies pa focus on content kumita kere achta illustrate what you just explained. Pero portavo por explica un tiki di while what the recording kiko ba kera 13 forward ko content ko ba atraha.
okay yes ko content ko matraha mi kera mane make it sort of way mane fun pawak pero também mane educational mane para clips mapone ko bo para wak plant mane su number bo para wak nos ranger tamane bisa explica nos it's just the beauty of it by itself mane mi tahaya mi just kera mane make it paso hobihan na to mane portaran tawa kung video na to mane laugh pero me quero make it mane interesting ko basta bota kera mane pa full video so pasay ma vlog like a few cute clips pa mane seem interesting e tambe ma tambe come up with como do you say? Mane like un text, mane kico ta important, kico papahasi, kico ta awareness, and that sort of stuff. Papota mas educated.
Então, me quero bisa conhecida e para mim campaign que tá live cabo das pessoas que estão escutando então não que AWAA e campaign que eu quero criar para bring awareness para Aruba Conservation Foundation e tá cabo riba e Facebook e Instagram di Summer Camp by Miss Carolina, também riba e são Zine Talks. Dus bolo por hanya iriba algo ko ama hanya hopefully tama oro kuma wak bo video bara no sa focus riba plants pero wal no sa sian riba plants no sa sian riba importancia ko plants ting panos bestia nang tambe and you were able to capture moments onde ko bota wak bestia nang interacting con os plants so me te quero say
like one thing about me mane me gusta hopi bestia me ta hanya mane sing mane nos nature obviously e animals no lo por biba ovviamente paso nang mister tama din os plants, pa man shelter, pa nang hide from predators, pa nang tambe come. So it's really important. Itambe pa nos as humans. So mi akira man involve those two together, pa so nang turdos ta hopi importante.
Thank you so much for that, Ashley. So, agora que nós vamos de tour organizations, awe bosta kinang papiano, obviously live na radio over the saki. Ayera bosta spend some time com Miss Carolina creating this content, coming up com ideas, pero também criando basta diferente captions, storylines ng mi quer puntra bosto, como bosta experience that as well. Como bosta experience doing that thinking process after learning so much. Then kung bosta tabay bring this information forward, this message forward. How was that experience? How was yesterday? That is really my question. Ito tayo ultimo dia nasa workshop. Anybody?
Ito tigi difícil para encontrar informação de vídeo.
Right?
Iba mane tra un caption ko tene of un video ko mane to catch someone's eye. Ko mane kolaga ng kilawak. Aha. Tata leuke era.
Kiko mas sinti mane tiki stressed out about it, basta sinti mane sense of responsibility, mane okay, how am I gonna do this? Do I actually nod? Were you a little stressed while you were making
yes,
it?
I was.
Di
Mane no pasó. I mean, actually, see, mane mita tend not to be like a perfectionist, pero I guess that's just a me problem. Pero mane,
but quero ser nice.
sí, me quiero hacer nice y mane, I guess I'm not that much of an editor, pero I guess I am. Mi no sa. Pero sí, me just thought que eta algo mane like special e cute pa nos project.
Quem mais quer explicar tiki di e process e ora que você tá e atividade hier dat eigenlijk que você vira advocacy detective, santo você echt vending a role the advocates by organization aqui. What that conhecer assim, conhecer a bai. Jianna, com a bastante about it. Mas que Jianna com Alyssa so video a take a lot. I don't say a lot of time, but maybe more than you guys thought it would.
The execution took a lot of time, but the idea must just flow in.
Ja. En dat wordt echt asina moeilijk patrahele, pero het wordt ting issues voor video making, minut wat echt sa over pro me, kuno start. In general, het wordt echt, dus mensen find the idea, hen lang lo actually work, no just scroll of work, panos spread awareness.
So the process mes damit assim boso koslang, right? Ding boso kaso boso trahari bong video related to AI, boso hasi good use the AI pa yuda boso kasaki, but as you were going you were also learning, right? Do's and don'ts anto which was I think very interesting, me to get como learning moment in that as you were working on that. Zilly y Eva mi que pontra boso con experience the workshopping advocacy ideas to tapa boso.
Ama paso bom, ito ta fun pa kasi video nos video ko na sa trato super cute.
Está cute.
Anto bra e caption ta ton tiki ma difícil, paso obviously nos kaya do na hopi información, pero también mane short and cute. Pero nos tata kaya pone información ko ta mostra kung importante ta pa advocate pa e community ko ta e pointi e summer camp anto e summer camp também hopi bom que nós sabemos junto anto nossa siña anto nos manering futuro nos po hasitin parico diferente pa help nos community que ta hopi importante.
Thank you for that, Zilly. Eva, kung abo experience eh.
Maha fun ayera. Anto editing ko to hard, pero kuya Frau si ayuda, mabay through it anto no sa trahe video. Anto maha idea ng tambe hopi lake, pasura todo dia tá tem outra atividade, anto todo dia me tá looking forward para vai camp. Anto yeah, esse.
Awesome. All right, ladies. So, awami ka puntra boso, boso ta sinti after ese mang aki ko boso, di boso mas locar sigita involved ko community, different organizations, maybe?
Definitely.
Yes.
Danya tour din ng Milo Kiar volunteer mas.
See, king di boso tamane, okay, ma have this whole week, anto mi definitely no que volunteer nunca mas. Yung, okay, so that's a net positive, right? Mane, boso tu locar contribute. All right, well, thank you so much. Nos tengo que close up because the time is up. So, me que punta boso, think anyone could porta quer bisa algo para me que nos close off this episode. To anybody who's listening, si boso quer bisa algo. No? We're all tucked out?
Just volunteer. Just do it.
And spread awareness.
Just do it. Spread awareness. It doesn't hurt to volunteer. And you actually learn something. So, yeah.
Awesome. Anything else? No? Awesome. Shoutout paturi organisacion ng biyamas. Danki pa habre porta ng panos bing, panos siña. Pero também para nos contribuir, para sobre nós não desbai nada, right? Nós do some work e nós contribute. So biyamas me quero bisa danki na Sgt. Peppers and Friends e Animal Welfare Alliance, of course, também. Danki na Fundacion Respeta Mi. Danke na Scubble Bubbles, e danke na Aruba Conservation Foundation. We appreciate you so much and the work that you do. Anto, yes, manera mabisa boso kaba si boso kawaki campaigns di ture a great ladies sang tu local ko na trahari bajele. Make sure ko bota follow summer camp at Summer Camp by Miss Carolina. Riba Instagram, papahaya riba Facebook taman. Riba po waki campaigns. Share the campaigns. It's created by teens. No solamente for teens, pero for everybody din ng perspective. So maybe also keep that in mind. Kiko, nang tahaya bonita, interesting, cute. So yes. Thank you so much for listening. Manera mabisa po paskucha tour cost back unjis riba Cool FM sa YouTube sa Facebook. Sincerely Carolina sa YouTube e sa Facebook. Anto bo por hanya riba jamar sa favorite podcasting platform say si eta Spotify, Apple Podcasts or whichever one you use. It will be there. Thank you to my awesome sponsors for allowing me to talk about whatever I want to talk about. Pero también pa support community involvement, social responsibility, and the scam. So thank you na total na Roche-Posay Pringles. I appreciate you so much, and I will be back next week. Yes. Otro semana may papedi back to school, but it's almost back to school. Yeah, some people are excited. Some people maybe migas ng kidelante not too excited about back to school. Pero otro semang episode tabay dive untiki mas. Wait, otro semang? No, ayan no. Otro semang no. Si otro semang. Nasa full na dia 7 de ocho sa Scubble, right guys? Sa dia 8. Sí. Definitely otro semang. So yes, paisunan ko to escuchando ita excited pa school comienza back. We will be back with an episode about that. Take care, be nice, be kind, make better choices. Basta kabi escucha all the ways that you can make better choices pa you the Aruba. So please make those better choices. Bye.
Hi!
Hi, I'm Carolina, and I am the host of Sincerely Carolina, a series of educational conversations about current social issues with local and international experts. Make sure you tune in every Saturday on Cool FM from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Bye!